Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon display ads. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we are going to show you how to use Amazon sponsored display ads to boost your product visibility and reach a broader audience. First, navigate to your Amazon Seller Central and go to the advertising section. From there, click on Campaign Manager, then click on Create Campaign. Amazon gives you 4 options: sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display, and sponsored TV. For this tutorial, we'll focus on sponsored display. After selecting sponsored display, you'll need to set up your campaign. Begin by naming your campaign. Next, select a portfolio to organize your campaigns. Set your campaign's start and end dates and define your daily budget. Next, you'll choose the country where you want to run your ads. By default, it's set to the United States. Then, create an ad group name. You'll also need to choose an optimization strategy. Amazon offers 3 options: Reach, optimizes bids for higher viewable impressions; Page visits, optimizes bids for higher page visits; Conversions, optimizes bids for higher conversion rates. After selecting your optimization strategy, you can specify a cost control for your primary metric. Next, choose your ad format. You can select either an image ad or a video ad. Upload your image or video and ensure it meets Amazon's guidelines. Then, choose the landing page for your ad. You can direct traffic to a product detail page or your Amazon store. For targeting, you can select audiences based on their behavior and interests. Amazon offers several targeting options, including contextual, targets audiences browsing products and content matching your criteria. Remarketing, targets audiences who have viewed, purchased, or are browsing similar products. In-market, targets audiences whose recent activity suggests they're likely to buy products in a certain category. Interest and lifestyle, targets audiences based on their shopping and entertainment activity. Set your bids for each targeting option, then review your campaign settings and click Submit. And that's it. Your sponsored display campaign is now set up and ready to help you increase product visibility and reach a broader audience. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.